Hello and welcome to episode 3 of our Amazon Solution Provider Portal video series. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of migrating and unifying your developer accounts to the new Solution Provider Portal. Before we dive in, if you haven't watched our first video on the Solution Provider Portal overview and features, I highly recommend checking it out. The Solution Provider Portal, or SPP, is a new, dedicated platform for developers integrated with SP APIs. It offers features like users management, API call pattern dashboards, and a ready-to-use sandbox environment. Now, why should you migrate? Well, the SPP unification allows you to centralize all your SP API operations in one place. This means you can unify all your developer profiles, apps, and roles, eliminating the need to manage multiple Seller Central accounts across regions or juggle between Seller Central, Vendor Central, and Shipper Central accounts. This diagram shows how the SPP unification works. If you have 2 or more developer profiles linked to different emails, the unification allows you to unify them in a single SPP profile, choosing which will be the admin email. Now, this other diagram shows another unification case. If you have one email linked to multiple developer profiles in different regions and a second email linked to another developer profile, you can now choose which profiles you want to consolidate, creating different SPP profiles depending on your business case. This migration won't affect your current apps. They'll continue to work normally. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into the Seller Central account you want to be your primary one. Once you're in, go to Apps and Services and click on Develop Apps. You should see a banner at the top of the page about migrating your developer account to SPP. Click the Get Started button. You'll land on the SPP migration and unification page. Here, select your main account and click Enroll and Finish. Now you're in the onboarding page. This is where set up the new SPP account. In this step of onboarding, you can review your main developer profile information, which contains your production and sandbox apps, draft contact information, approved data access, security controls, and number of support cases by clicking See Details. If you have multiple profiles, click the button to authenticate another email. Log in with those credentials and repeat for all profiles you want to unify. Review all added profiles carefully. Then click Confirm and Continue. You'll see a warning message. Make sure you haven't missed any profiles before proceeding. Now, you can add secondary email if you want. This can also be done after an SPP user permissions. Click Confirm and Continue again. Read the disclaimer and warnings carefully. It's important to note that your developer profile information will be transferred to SPP and will no longer be accessible via previous sites. Check the checkbox and click Confirm. You'll see a green banner confirming successful account creation, and you'll be redirected to the SPP homepage. Keep in mind that the setup process may take up to 10 minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully migrated and unified your developer accounts to the Amazon Solution Provider Portal. Remember, this new portal will simplify your account management, giving you a centralized place to handle all your SP API operations, including new features to enhance your experience with SP API. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.